Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of a PR package that I received from Rosalind. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I'm so excited, you guys, to open up this box. I love their gel polishes. Their consistency is very nice, and their colors are pretty vibrant. And so I am looking forward to seeing what's in here. Now, here is some manufacturing information on the side. And I'm going to move on to the back of this box. And here you're going to see I've got the these are the Rosalind 8-piece gel nail polish kit. Sorry for the reflection. I haven't removed the plastic yet. Here are the major ingredients for these products. Nothing left to mystery. These are also a 7-free formula, which is free of parabens, free gluten-free, formaldehyde-free, formaldehyde resin-free, DPP-free, toluene-free, and camphor-free. Oh my god, that kind of like zoned out. It sounded like I said free a million times. Here's a cautionary tale of how not to use these products. Yes, and these are made in China. Their website, go visit them, www.rosalindbeauty.com, but also read my description box below. I have a discount code. They are a company that use recyclables in their products or their packaging or shipping. And once opened, they expire within 24 months. And of course, these are not tested on animals, which is also an added plus. So now I'm going to grab my handy dandy pair of bumblebee detailing scissors. I love these scissors. And I'm going to try to cut this plastic off without scuffing up my boxes. You know I love my boxes. I love opening new packages. I love smelling them. It's got to be some ASMR thing. But yeah, I'm going to reuse this box. I'm going to store my polishes in this box. I don't like taking them out. They have such a pretty box, and I can stack them as I get them. So look how pretty that is. So just opening this now. Voila. Inside, you get a card from Rosalind that basically explains what UV nail polish is. For us beginners, of course. But I'm so glad they invented gel. I mean, this is so much faster than regular lacquer. But open it up and you have instructions on how to use it. And down below is how to remove the gel polish. And on the lower panel of this card, it has a DIY nail art step-by-step instructions. On the back, you have your standard question and answer sheet. Sometimes there are questions there that I would never have thought of asking. But here are the 8 bottles. I am so excited, you guys. Look how snug these are. There's no moving about while shipping, no breakage, none of that stuff. This is color 01. You can see the color through these on their logo, through the glass of this bottle. And this is a pretty, like a nude pink that I would totally get to use when doing French designs or when I'm exposing my nail bed like I have on my left hand there. But that's a pretty color to use. I cannot wait to use that. The next color, 02. Oh, and before I open that, I'm going to show you the color through the glass logo, and it's looking like a white. So let's just check to see if it is. And it is super bright white. This is probably the brightest white I've ever seen. It's always good to use white. I use white so much, and I am now using whites to mix into my other colors to make them lighter. So that's great to have. And these are so snug. This is color 31. And through the logo, it's looking like a pink. Let's open the bottle. Oh, wow. Look at this color. It's like a piggy pink. I am getting some Miss Piggy vibes right now. I could possibly do a Miss Piggy design someday. The next one is 9017. And this is looking like another shade of pink, like a fuchsia maybe. Oh, wow. This is like a Barbie pink. I'm definitely getting Barbie vibes. And now I feel like maybe doing a Barbie design. Like as you know guys, like it's not my preference to be working with pinks all the time. But I have to admit, I mean, it's not that I'll hate it. But I'll definitely call a pink out if it's a really nice shade of pink. And I'm loving these pinks so far. This is 2455. Oh wow, this is like a pink ribbon pink. I could have totally used this last month for breast cancer awareness. But I'll definitely be using these pinks. So yeah, again, like not a preferable color, but I'm getting inspired right now to either do Miss Piggy, some Barbie. This color is 16 and it's looking like maybe a camel. Let's open it up. Oh, it's looking like a tan or like a taupe, tan or taupe. That's nice. I'll definitely be using this color in a lot of things. Like right now the seasons are for some earthy shades and I really like that shade. So yeah, I'm trying to get this one out with my shortened Freddy nails. Let's use the other hand. This color is 2661 and through the logo it's looking kind of brown. So I'm kind of excited about that. Another earth tone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it. Look, this looks like melted chocolate. This looks like chocolate factory. River of chocolate. Oh my goodness. So now I'm also getting like pink and chocolate candy vibes. I'm getting so inspired right now by this kit, everybody. 2462, what is this last color? Oh, this is like a hot pink. Oh wow, look how hot pink that is. Like I have no idea what I'd use this for, but I want to use it. Look how hot pink that is. Jeez, this kit's pretty. It has a good collection of colors. So there you have it, you guys, the 8-piece gel nail polish kit from Rosalind. I'll leave the link in the description box below, along with my discount code that will last up till the end of January. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and join me again in the next video, guys. I'm going to use all these bottles in my next nail design. Thanks. Bye.